Hi there. If you are tired of fixing different column sizes in Microsoft Excel, then this video will help you a lot. Right-click on Sheet. View Code. Turn General to Worksheet. Apply the following code. Cells.entirecolumn.AutoFit. When done, close the window. Now, write on the cells and see the difference. The columns are being automated and changing its width according to the text sizes. Now you never need to change column size manually, but Excel will do it itself. Hope you liked the video. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.